and dear SSCians, Assalamu Alaikum. Myself is Mr. Akib Ali and I am an SSCian from English language course. Today I have come in front of you all for giving my feedback about the English language course that I held at the Shoaib Coaching Center. And I want to tell you that before joining this class, how I was curious about English language and how I came here to join this course. Before joining this course, I was so curious about learning English, writing English language correctly. Without confidence, I wanted to deliver a presentation, a speech. I wanted to have strong communication skills. For that, I searched, I watched, I downloaded a lot of English videos. I watched a lot of English lectures. I trained a lot of grammar rules, but I did not found myself with satisfaction to my desires. I did not completely got out from the thirst of my desires. For that, I again searched for the institutions which were providing such kind of courses. And then I found a glimpse that was providing the light to all those black stones which were going to be bright. Then I found that was Shoaib Coaching Center, which was providing all kind of fulfillment to my desires. Then I came here, I arrived, and I started my journey. So now I'm going to tell you that before joining this English language class, this English language course, what the hurdles, what the problems I had with myself, not only with my studies, but also with my social life. So the problems which were carrying me out of my desires were that I was not confident. Yeah, I was intelligent, a class topper, and also confident at some levels. But how much I wanted to be confident, how much knowledge I wanted to have, I did not have that. So for that, I was not confident. And most importantly, I had a lot of problems with my studies. But this was not the complete portion of my desires. I had also problems with my social life. I was not obedient. I was a disobedient student. I want to tell you genuinely from my thoughts, really from my heart, I want to tell you cordially that I was not a good student. I was not punctual. I was not a good mannered student. I was a stubborn and also a dishonest student. For that, I joined this great institute that was providing me the fulfillment of my all desires. And now I'm going to tell you that what the changes I had with myself, that what the changes I got with myself after joining this English language course. I was blessed with a lot of confidence. I was blessed with a lot of information, knowledge, not only regarding with my studies, not regarding with my course, not regarding with any English literature or English language writing skills, but I was blessed with a lot of confidence in my social life, with strong communication skills. And now I'm going to tell you that what the activities we had in our English language course. We learned storytelling. We learned how to write a story from only seeing 4 to 3 photos, from only seeing 4 to 3 pictures. That I learned how to create, that I learned how to narrate a story from only 2 to 3 pictures. I learned how to speak English language like a native English speaker. I learned English a lot. Yeah, there are also improvements in myself. There are also the areas, there are also the holes which want to be filled. These are. But the improvement that I got, that I like, that I appreciate, that I praise for my teachers. This is not because of my hard working. This is not because of my self-belief. That this is because of these teachers. This is because of this great institute, Shoaib Coaching Center. This is because of the great faculty of Shoaib Coaching Center. Not only teachers, but also the peon, Mr. Abid, who served me a lot. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful to Shoaib Coaching Center, who blessed me with a lot of confidence, with a lot of information, and also added another chapter in my life, in my thoughts, in my dreams of knowledge, not regarding with my study, but regarding with my social life. Now I'm going to tell you that we had a lot of activities, I told you, but which activity I like the most, that I got interested a lot, that is our poster presentation. We also had debate. There was a lot of confidence needed. There was a lot of competition between us. There was also a lot of competition between us to speak English, to provide evidences. There was a kind of social example. But the activity I like the most is a poster presentation, and that poster presentation was based on presenting a movie. It was not only presenting a movie, but it was also kind of presentation. It was also kind of being engaged with the people. It was also kind of being anchor person. It was also kind of being present mind. It was also kind of being self-belief that I can answer the questions of the people, and we observe that thing. And this is the activity I like the most. And now I want to tell you that what the things which regret me, which worry me, that they need improvement in this language course. And I thought a lot. I pondered myself that, Mr. Akif, what the things which need improvement in this English language course? I found nothing. I collapsed on the quote. I collapsed on the charpai, but I found nothing that needs improvement in this English language course. In the last, I will say only one line, that this is the ever educational experience that I had in my life. And my wish for this institute is, and also the seeds of, and also the shining essence is that may Allah Almighty bless with this educational institute, Shoaib Coaching Center, with great heights, and also its seeds that the Shoaib Coaching Center is planting, the seedlings, the essence, they may get their ambitions fulfilled, and may Allah Almighty help this institute to get the great heights. Thanks very much. Thanks.